Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you on how to use the map of attraction. Well, this is a tool of promotion. It got the following characteristics. Allows structuring the communication channel that should be used for promotion and sell a product or a service. This tool is used prior to the development of the marketing plan. This resource comes from inbound marketing and promotes content creation focused on the user that encourage loyalty. This tool is used in the implementation stage in a project that is being developed with the design thinking methodology or any other agile methodology. Okay, so this tool is extremely important. However, I have to stress something, and is that if you are gonna use a map of attraction, you have to have money to do that. If you are just doing this organically, I suggest that you don't do it because you are gonna need monetary resources to develop it. So, like I was telling you in the introduction, so the first thing that you do is that you are already finished your product or your service. Then you analyze how to get to the users. And it's very important that before you get to this stage, you previously has used the developed the user profile, you have studied the market, research, all of those different components that are extremely important, and you figure it out how are you gonna focus on them. So all the previous tools that you have used before to develop the product or service, they are gonna be very helpful here. Of course, the monetary resource is very important, and that is why I strongly suggest that you have, if it's not a big budget, at least a considerable budget, because the map of attraction, it will be very hard to work if you are gonna to develop this organically. You need to have resources to guarantee that this is going to work. Otherwise, you will only spend time and you will not get the results that you want. So the map of attraction is divided in four parts. The first one is attract. How are you going to attract? You can use social media and you can use voice to voice. The idea is that you figure it out how much money are you willing to spend on social media, or if you are going to pay an influencer, so he start speaking in their social media, how the product works, everything, all the advantages and benefits that it got. So it's very important that you think how are you going to attract your customers. The second part is how are you going to convince them to buy and purchase your product. And of course, the value proposition that you developed previously, it will be very important here because you are gonna reuse it and you will promote all those benefits that your product or your service has, because no one will buy anything without expecting anything in return. So it's very important that you analyze all of these different components and figure out how are you going to focus. Sell. The process of selling is very important because nowadays you can use e-commerce, so you can sell from WhatsApp, Instagram, a website, and you can sell your products basically to anywhere in the world. So that will be very important. However, you can use also traditional channels of selling, like if you have your own store or if you are willing to make an alliance so people can buy your products or service from a specific way. Finally, we got loyalty. How are we going to make that our customers and our users become loyal to our product or service? So the user experience is extremely important because all the strategy should be focused to people to remember and see all the different things that are good for them. So you start attaching and develop feelings for your development. Also, if you are thinking that your customers become loyal to your product or service, you have to think in the benefits. So program of benefits, points, and get something in return, it's also very helpful. However, there are many different ways that you can develop loyalty. But the main ones right now is user experience as a concept and apply to your strategy, and of course, benefits programs. When you got all this information, you will start developing your marketing plan. The marketing plan is very important and it's very useful. But if you develop this first, you will know what is the aim, what is the objective of your marketing plan, and you will be more able to be successful in this process. As a conclusion, we can say that upon completion of developing customer attraction, MAP will have the route to guide for develop your marketing plan. It's very important that this must be very objective, determine channels, actions to promote the products or services. Something that I almost forgot is here you have to be very specific with all the actions that you need to do and develop. It's very important that if here you notice that you don't have money to develop an convincing and real attraction map, don't do it, because you will spend a lot of time thinking in this, and if you don't have money to execute it, it will be worthless. And of course, must be clear on a budget and have the run to the project and promotion. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that our Udemy courses are already available. In the description of this video, you can find the links. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish, and every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.